Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vaibhav Patil. I am interventional cardiologist working at KLE Hospital, Belgaum. Using this platform, I am going to tell you some information, some precautions for the patients with the diabetes, hypertension and post-angioplasty patients. What precaution they should take. Okay, hope you all are doing fine in this time of COVID-19. First and foremost, I want to tell you, first you just check from where you are getting the information. So check the source of information first, from where it is coming, from video, from internet, from some guidelines. Okay, then all your precautions, or you should practice all your good hygiene. Everybody knows good hygiene, that all videos, every informations from government authorities you all are getting. You all know that COVID-19 is a public health emergency. We all should be medically prepared. Medically prepared means all medical preparedness, that suppose the patient of cardiac patient should be admitted, seen by the cardiologist. All acute emergencies should be seen in a casualty. They should be triaged. They should be seen by the respective departments. All pulmonary medicines, then medicine peoples, physicians should be at the task force. Then suppose the patients who is having acute onset of breathlessness, acute onset of chest pain, these patients should be sought at the triage level. They should be seen by the cardiologist. They should be admitted in ICU. So all the patients who are having acute chest pain and acute onset of breathlessness should be admitted. All the hospitals, casualty and emergency departments, ICU, all are working. Then if you are post-angioplasty patients, then you should continue whatever drugs are prescribed by your cardiologist. You should continue till the lockdown. Do not stop until you are advised by your doctor. You should always have telephonic conversations, teleconsultation with your doctor. That will be fine. Then all your antihypertensive, all anti-diabetic drugs should be continued. In between, some guidelines were there that all your AC inhibitors and angiotensin receptor blockers, these drugs are given in diabetic and hypertensive patients. So you should continue safely these drugs during this COVID-19. Don't stop these drugs. You should have telephonic conversation with your cardiologist that I am taking these drugs, so that I should continue or not. You can use some telemedicine apps are there. These you can take the help of these telemedicine apps. If your doctors are unreachable, if you are in a far area. For all diabetic patients, kindly avoid, please avoid high calorie snacks, high calorie diet, and take nutritious diet. Consume more fiber and citrus diet. You can add also vitamin D, and avoid salt, and plenty of oral fluids for the patients whom water intake is restricted. Like, say for example is cardiac LV dysfunction patients whose ejection fraction is less than 30%. So in these patients, we tell them that their oral fluid intake should be less than 1 liter. Okay, so salt and water restriction for the cardiac LV dysfunction patients. So the water intake should be less than 1 liter in these patients, as advised by your cardiologist. Then some things, some exercises or some yoga, breathing exercises you can do at your home, as you can't go outside. So yoga, some breathing exercises, then some isometric exercises, light isometric exercises you can do at home. Then to get good sleep, your sleep hygiene should be good. So first and foremost, you should decrease your screen time, your mobile, laptops and desktop. You should decrease your screen time so that you will get better quality of your sleep. So avoid these things, decrease your screen time, so that you have good quality of 6 to 8 hours of nighttime sleep. Okay, then again, all uh, health guidelines by the government and authorities, whatever are given, you should follow. Avoid these places, avoid unnecessary going to the hospitals. If you are fine, if you are doing well, don't go to the hospitals, don't rush these any pathology laboratories or clinics. You will get infections, because this diabetes and hypertension, like 20 to 30% of the patients who are COVID positive, these comorbid conditions, diabetic patients, hypertensive patients, asthma, COPD, and your CKD patients, they are most prone, most vulnerable, and above 60 age patients are more vulnerable to get easy infections. So you should take precautions regarding that. Maintain social distancing, stay safe at home, and stay healthy. Don't bother about the infections. You continue all your medicines and drugs as it is what you are taking. So don't stop your all antihypertensive, anti-diabetic, and post-angioplasty patient. Don't stop your antiplatelet drugs and statins, whatever prescribed by a cardiologist to you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.